To verify your Webull account, follow these steps. Create an account. Download the Webull app, sign up with your email or phone number, and set up your account by following the on-screen prompts. Submit personal information. Provide required personal details such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, and residential address. Webull needs this information to comply with regulatory requirements for financial accounts. Identity verification. Upload a government-issued ID. Ensure the image is clear, legible, and matches the personal details you've provided. You may need to take a selfie to further confirm your identity. Provide employment and financial information. Webull will ask for your employment status, income level, and financial details to understand your investment experience and suitability for specific account types. Review and submit. Once you've completed the application, review your information carefully and submit it for approval. Verification process. Webull's team will review your submission, which typically takes 1 to 3 business days. During this time, they may reach out if they need further information or clarification. Account approval. Once verified, you will receive an email notification. You can then fund your account and start trading.